Making scrambled eggs. Get a couple of eggs in the bowl. You beat the eggs very heartily. Add a good knob of butter to a pan preheated on medium and wait for it to begin to foam like this. Add the eggs to the pan and immediately stir the eggs so we get small, smooth curds. We're shooting for soft and creamy eggs. Some people don't turn their eggs enough and make crusty, tough eggs, and that's no fun. Keep moving the eggs around and turn the heat off early so they coast down gently. We want them to be almost done when we plate them. They'll finish cooking on their own on the plate. Make sure to plate them up pretty. Nobody likes ugly food. And there you have it, creamy scrambled eggs.